Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be this fun cut crease look. I use my neon pigments from Killer Queen's Cosmetics. These are what they look like. They're right here. So I used the blue and the orange today, and I absolutely love how this look turned out. I hope you guys do as well. If you guys want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a colorful look for you guys. I'm going to be using my Killer Queen Cosmetics pigments. I'm going to use my 35B palette today. So yeah, let's just get on to this look. I already have, as you can see, my eyes and my brows already done. I do have the full video on my brows and the products I use, so if you guys do want to see that video, I'll have it linked below for you guys, so definitely check that out if you are interested. So I'm going to go in with my 35B palette, and I'm going to do a look for you guys today. So let's get into this. I'm gonna first, I love going in with a crease color first, and I love going in with like color. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I might do like maybe a halo eye or something with these pigments. We will see. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like a pink purple shade. And I'm just going to take my MAC 224 brush and place that right in the crease. I do like taking a lot and then just really buffing that out. So next I'm going to take a more denser brush and probably a smaller, I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. And I'm going to place that in the crease. I'm just going to give it some depth. I'm also going to go in that deep purple right below it as well. And take just a pencil brush and go in that dark purple. Really just pack that in the crease. Kind of want to use this orange shade right here and do maybe like a halo eye possibly, or like all over. Like cut the entire crease and put that on. That could be fun. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Camo 16-Hour Wear Concealer. I'm using my Wet n Wild brush to cut this crease. Take the orange I'm actually going with the Morphe M408 brush. I'm going to go back in with that deep purple shade and just go around. This eye is always the good eye. I don't know. So next I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to be taking this on my waterline. I'm actually going to be going in with the pigments again. I'm going to be placing one of the pigments on my waterline. So the pigment I'm going to be using is the blue. And I'm going to just dust that off from what's on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back in with that deep purple shade and just add a little bit more to the lower lash line. I'm actually going to go back in with that pink shade. I'm going to buff that right below the deep purple. Okay, so I finally came with the agreement and lashes are finally on. They're cooperating. I absolutely love how these lashes look with this look. These lashes are so nice. I absolutely love them. So now I'm going to go on to lips, and for lipstick I'm going to be going in with my Gerard Cosmetics Underground Lip Pencil and Posh Spice Liquid Lipstick. So I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to go in with Posh Spice. I love how this lip combo looks. It looks really good in the camera. Ooh, I might have just found a new favorite lip combo. It looks so good. Absolutely love it. So I popped in my contacts from Eyes So Poppin'. They are in the style Sky Gray. I will have a link below for you guys to check them out. And yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe below if you are not already, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.